Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am gonna show you how to download any Instagram reel in HD for free. First open Instagram. For example, I want to download this reel, then click it and copy the link of the reel. Now in Google, search Exomindz. I will give link in description. Now open the website and paste the copied reel link. Click download. The reel will start downloading. It's now downloaded. I will open it and show you. And that's how easy it is to download a reel from Instagram. It is saved in your gallery and you can use it to send in WhatsApp too. Thank you for watching.